In this video, let me show you how to set up the Klarna account for beginners. So if you're trying to set up Klarna account and if this is your first time, let me show you the steps that you will need to follow. First of all, make sure you download Klarna application onto your device, or you can also do this through the website if you're using a desktop or a laptop. But however, if you're using the mobile phone, make sure you download the application, and once you open up the app, you'll be able to see a similar interface. Now, in order for you to sign up, head over to the more option on the bottom right, and then you need to tap or select your country from the list of countries that are available, and then tap on the login option. In the next step, you will be taken to a login screen, but instead of the login screen, you need to tap on the create account option so that you can link your phone number or even your email address sometimes, so that your account is created. So in this screen, make sure you add in your phone number. Once you add in your phone number, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your phone number. You just need to add it in, and once you do that, you need to provide your information such as your legal name, your current residential address, as well as your date of birth. Once you add these information, you need to link either your debit or your credit card. Klarna will use these to set up your payment schedule. And then lastly, you need to create a strong password. Once you fill in all of this information, your account of Klarna will be successfully created. So that's basically it on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.